This is our interior design project for our subscriber, Colleen's. Her space feels bare and uneven, making it challenging for her to achieve the look she wants. That's why we're here to help. We'll be redesigning her space with a modern rustic interior. Before we start designing, let's take a closer look at Colleen's home as it is right now. This is the floor plan, with dimensions of 44 feet by 16 feet. We'll be focusing on transforming her living area, dining area, kitchen, and sunroom to match her vision for a modern rustic interior. Starting at the upper right, you enter the home through the main door, stepping directly into the living area. This space currently feels a bit unfinished, and a large window on the lower right that brings in great natural light. However, the furniture layout could use some improvement to make it feel more functional and inviting. Colleen loves cozy yet organized spaces, so we'll work on creating a seating arrangement that feels complete while maintaining openness. Moving forward, the dining area is positioned on the middle, just next to the living area. Right now, it feels a little bare, with just a wall-mounted mirror and a heater nearby. Colleen mentioned she's open to adding decor and functional pieces here, so we'll incorporate elements like modern dining chairs, a statement light fixture, and warm wood tones to bring the rustic charm she's looking for. In front of the dining area, you'll find the kitchen, which Colleen feels is missing proper exhaust ventilation. We'll address this by integrating a range hood or venting solution that blends seamlessly with the modern rustic aesthetic. At the left side, the sunroom is a bright space thanks to the skylight above. However, Colleen is concerned about sunlight damaging the furniture. To fix this, we'll install a UV protective film on the skylight to reduce the impact of direct sunlight. We'll also choose furniture with sun-resistant materials and add window treatments, like blinds or curtains, to control the light. We're also going to move her wall-mounted TV to the living area. With these changes, this area can be used comfortably without worrying about sun damage. Adding plants, light furniture, and small decor will make it a useful and relaxing spot in her home. The goal is to make each area feel complete and better suited to her needs while keeping the style she loves. Before we start the redesign, let's create a mood board for this modern rustic design. We are planning a space that feels warm, inviting, and stylish. The color palette is simple yet cozy. Around 60% of the space will have neutral tones like off-white, beige, and light gray. These colors are used for the walls, ceiling, and larger furniture to keep the room bright and open. Then, about 30% of the space features warm wood tones. You'll see this in the ceiling beams, the dining table, and the TV wall, which bring a natural and earthy vibe to the space. Finally, we'll add some contrast with 10% in darker colors like black metal accents and soft greens. These pops of color come from the pendant lights, table legs, and plants, making the room feel alive and balanced. We've balanced neutral tones, warm woods, and touches of black and green to create a space that feels both inviting and stylish, blending simplicity with warmth. For furniture, we've included a comfortable sectional sofa, a sleek coffee table, side table, and cozy dining chairs. The lighting is a mix of warm and industrial, like the black pendant light and soft, indirect lighting to highlight the wood textures. Let's take a look at this living area transformation. Starting with the flooring, we used solid wood with a natural finish. It gives the room a simple and classic look, matching well with the neutral color palette. The walls remain white, making the space look clean and bright. To add more detail, we installed wood beams on the ceiling, which make the ceiling more interesting and match the overall design. Now, let's move to the furniture and layout. The seating area features a sectional sofa in beige fabric, providing plenty of space for relaxing. It's styled with a mix of neutral and earthy throw pillows along with boho-inspired patterns to add some variety and comfort. At the center of the seating area is a wooden coffee table with slim black metal legs, paired with a round side table with a metallic base. These tables are functional and don't make the space feel crowded. The TV wall was upgraded with horizontal wooden slat wall paneling to give it texture and a clean, modern look, and also concealed the storage door beside the TV to have a seamless look for our TV wall. Below the TV, there's a floating console for storage and display, keeping the area organized. Above the console, floating shelves with LED strip lighting add a soft glow and are perfect for small decor items like vases and books. For lighting, the room includes pin lights on the ceiling to brighten the space evenly, along with a black metal chandelier with a geometric, box-like frame that fits the design and adds a bit of detail overhead. To define the seating area, we added a gray textured rug that keeps the furniture grouped together and comfortable. On the walls, simple wall art adds a little personality without drawing too much attention. In the corner by the sofa, a shoe bench with built-in storage was placed near the door. It's practical and helps keep the area tidy. For greenery, we added a peace lily, fiddle leaf fig, and rubber plant to make the room look more lively and balanced. These plants also complement the neutral tones in the design. The result is a modern and functional living area where all the details work well together to create a simple and comfortable space. For the updates we've made to this dining area, we started with the walls, where we installed vertical white grooved panels that reach from floor to ceiling, priced at $186.99 for a set of 4. These panels make the area look good. Above the dining table, 3 pendant lights with woven covers hang, each costing $89.99. These lights warm up the space and are perfectly positioned over the table to grab attention. On the floor, a tan textured rug from Elle, measuring 6 by 9 feet, adds warmth and matches the dining set, helping to define the area. The chairs around the table are upholstered in a beige fabric. They fit well with the room's look and are comfy to sit on. The main piece here is dining table, with a solid wood top and a metal base. It's strong and fits well with the room's simple yet strong style. For decoration, we included the Nesmith tabletop lantern and the Gupton recycled teak table runner, along with porcelain vases. These small touches add character to the table without being too much. We also added some potted plants to add greenery and complement the neutral tones of the room. With these changes, the dining area now has a simple and warm look that's great for both daily meals and hosting guests. We've made some updates to the kitchen to give it a modern rustic feel. First off, we installed a 48-inch island range hood above the central cooking area. This sleek fixture is both practical and complements the modern design. You can also wrap the kitchen cabinets in a peel and stick wallpaper that mimics wood texture. This choice adds a rustic flair while keeping the overall look neat and tidy. The existing granite countertops were retained as they fit well with the desired interior style, blending seamlessly with the new elements. We added a new hanging cabinet for more storage. This is perfect for keeping things organized and out of sight, which helps maintain the clean lines of the space. The backsplash is now adorned with teal subway tiles, which introduce a splash of color and tie together the rustic and modern elements. Underneath the hanging cabinet, we installed LED strip lighting. This addition is not just practical for food preparation, but also adds a warm kitchen. For decorations, we placed vases, herbs, and display plates around the kitchen. These simple yet charming touches enhance the rustic feel and make the kitchen more welcoming. With these enhancements, the kitchen is now a beautifully updated space that marries modern functionality with rustic charm, making it perfect for cooking and entertaining. We've updated this sunroom to make it a bright and comfortable space for relaxation. We started with the skylight by applying a UV film to protect against sun damage, directly addressing the homeowner's concerns about UV exposure. For the windows, we installed blinds and added the same UV film. This helps control the amount of direct sunlight that comes in, keeping the room cool and enjoyable. The main feature here is a 40-inch round coffee table made from teak wood. Teak is a great choice for sunrooms because its natural oils help protect against rot, mildew, and UV damage. The seating includes a sofa and accent chairs made from synthetic resin wicker, known for its resistance to weather and UV rays. This makes it a practical option for sunroom furniture. In front of the seating area, we placed horizontal wooden slat paneling with a console table in front. This setup provides a stylish spot to display various items. Beneath the seating area, we put down a textured patterned rug to define the space and add warmth. We added floating shelves made of teak wood for displaying items like wall art, ceramic vases, and books. For greenery, we introduced indoor plants like cacti and succulents, a jade plant, and a snake plant. These plants not only beautify the space, but also thrive in the bright sunroom setting. We also included throw pillows with polyester covers to match the sofa cushions, adding comfort and style to the room. With these updates, the sunroom is now a cozy, stylish area ideal for enjoying natural light while being shielded from the sun's harsh effects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tips.